Welcome back. Today we're checking out the best gaming desktops in 2026. If you want extreme performance for AAA games, smooth FPS, and next-level graphics, these gaming PCs are built to deliver power without limits. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Alienware Aurora Gaming Desktop ACT1250. The Alienware gaming tower features the latest Windows 11 Home operating system and is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, clocked at 1.9 GHz, with a substantial cache size of 76. It boasts impressive graphics capabilities with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, equipped with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, making it ideal for gaming and multimedia use. The system is designed with a sleek matte, basalt black, finish and customizable Alien FX lighting zones, enhancing its modern aesthetic. Performance is further optimized by a 240mm heat exchanger for effective cooling during extended gaming sessions. The Alienware Command Center software allows users to personalize their gaming experience by creating custom profiles and monitoring performance modes. Additionally, Dell offers a 1-year on-site service warranty, ensuring support is readily available whenever needed. Number 2. MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop. The MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop is a powerful machine designed for gamers and enthusiasts alike. It features an AMD R7-8700F processor paired with a GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, ensuring excellent performance for gaming and demanding applications. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking and running resource-intensive programs is seamless. The desktop is equipped with a spacious 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, providing ample storage and fast data access speeds. Additionally, it includes a USB Type-C port for modern connectivity options and is VR-ready, making it suitable for virtual reality gaming experiences. The system runs on Windows 11 Home, delivering the latest features and user interface enhancements. The model number for this desktop is A8NVP for 36 US. Number 3. CLX Set Gaming PC. The CLX gaming computer features the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, operating at a speed of 4.7 GHz, and is equipped with a 360mm AIO liquid cooling system to maintain optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. It boasts advanced graphics capabilities with the GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, ensuring stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. With 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a generous 2TB NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, users can enjoy lightning-fast multitasking and rapid load times. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, allowing for seamless connectivity to wired and Wi-Fi networks while providing the latest features and security enhancements. Additionally, the CLX set is crafted with precision for durability and reliability during long gaming marathons, and it includes industry-leading support for peace of mind in all gaming endeavors. Number 4. ASUS ROG G700. The ASUS G700 is a powerful gaming computer tower designed for seamless performance and advanced connectivity, running on Windows 11 Home. It features an Intel Core Ultra 7 CPU with a speed of 5.3 GHz and is equipped with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD using PCIe 4.0 storage, it ensures efficient multitasking and quick load times. The dual-glass chassis showcases a striking ROG design complemented by ROG/ and Aura Sync RGB lighting, while its optimized thermals, including a quad-fan system and dust filters, promise long-term reliability. Number 5. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 10 Desktop PC. The Lenovo computer tower is powered by Windows 11 Pro and features an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor with a speed of 3.7 GHz, making it ideal for gaming, multimedia, and video editing. It boasts a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, delivering stunning visuals and high frame rates for demanding AAA titles and creative applications. With 64 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory and a 4TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, users can expect seamless multitasking and rapid access to large game libraries and media files. The system is designed for extreme performance, utilizing Legion cold front liquid cooling to maintain a quiet operation even during intense gaming sessions. This advanced cooling solution, combined with efficient architecture and intelligent performance optimization, ensures smooth responsiveness and stable overclocking capabilities for competitive gaming and professional content creation. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tech reviews. Thanks for watching.